In insurance, everything comes down to what causes the loss. And that's why we talk about perils and hazards. Two small words that make a big difference to your cover. Now let's start with exploring perils. Perils are the actual cause of the loss, so things like fire, flood, theft, or even storm. And your policy clearly lists which perils are covered and which ones aren't covered. Then we have hazards. These are the things which make the peril more likely to happen or make the damage worse. And there are two types of hazards. You have physical hazards, which are tangible conditions like faulty wiring that could cause an electrical fire, or poor security on the property that could worsen a theft loss, or storing flammable materials near a heat source that could cause an explosion. Now, moral hazards is the second one, and these are your behavior or attitude. So like being careless because you think, don't worry, I've got insurance, my insurance policy will cover it. But it doesn't. Now let's look at a simple example to explain all three. If theft is the peril, then the physical condition, or the physical hazard, is whether your doors have proper locks. And the moral hazard is whether you actually use those locks. So if you leave your door unlocked or open, then the insurer won't pay. And that's part of your duty to take reasonable care. Again, a condition which you can find in your insurance policy. So when arranging your cover, you must disclose any hazards. Your broker will ask you to understand the risk, what those hazards are. Hiding or forgetting to mention those hazards could break the principle of good faith, which can affect your claim. So remember, peril is what's happened. Hazard is what makes it more likely, and good faith, honestly keeping your contract valid to ensure that you can get a claim in the event of a loss.